In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initiate a video call on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're reaching out to friends, family, or colleagues, understanding how to use the video call feature can greatly enhance your communication experience. So, let's dive in and get you started on making those important connections. Our journey begins by navigating to the WhatsApp Web portal. For those of you who might be newer to this, WhatsApp Web allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer in much the same way you would on your phone. It's an incredibly useful tool for when you're working on your computer and want to stay connected without having to constantly reach for your phone. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. You'll be greeted with a QR code which you need to scan using the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. This is how you'll link your phone's WhatsApp account with the web version, ensuring that you can access all your messages and contacts directly from your computer. Once you've successfully connected your devices, your WhatsApp chats will be displayed on your computer screen. Now, to initiate a video call, you might be inclined to start immediately by looking for a video call button. However, our next step requires a bit of a workaround, as WhatsApp Web does not directly support video calls in the way the mobile app does. This doesn't mean you can't make video calls from your desktop though. WhatsApp offers a dedicated application for desktop that supports video calls, blending the convenience of WhatsApp Web with the full feature set of its mobile counterpart, including video calling. So, the trick here is that instead of using WhatsApp Web for video calls, you'll need to download the WhatsApp Desktop application. To find the WhatsApp Desktop app, simply visit the official WhatsApp website or your computer's application store. From there, download and install the app onto your desktop. Similar to how you connected to WhatsApp Web, you'll need to link your mobile account to the desktop app by scanning a QR code. With the setup complete and your accounts linked, find the contact you wish to video call by navigating through your chat list within the WhatsApp desktop application. When you've located the right chat, you'll notice a video camera icon in the top right corner of the chat interface. Click on this icon to start your video call. Upon clicking the video camera icon, WhatsApp will initiate a video call to your selected contact. They'll receive a notification on their device, and once they accept the call, you'll be connected, allowing you to both see and speak with each other directly from your desktops. A few things to note for a smoother experience: ensure that you have a stable internet connection and that your computer's webcam and microphone are in working order. These factors play a significant role in the quality of your video call. Also, remember that like any form of communication over the internet, it's important to use these features responsibly and to respect the privacy and consent of everyone involved in the call. In closing, while the direct ability to make a video call using WhatsApp Web may not currently be available, the WhatsApp Desktop app offers a seamless alternative that keeps you connected in more ways than one. It's all about leveraging the available tools to enhance your communication experience, and now you're equipped to do just that. So go ahead, install that desktop app and start making those video calls. Whether it's a quick catch up with a friend or an important work conference, video calls can add that personal touch to your conversations, bridging the gap between you and your contacts no matter where in the world you both may be. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay connected, stay in touch, and make the most out of your WhatsApp experience.